Welcome to the workshop vlog. Hello everyone and good Easter, well happy Easter I should say. So this is being recorded on Good Friday, so to all my subscribers, a happy Easter holiday to you all. So first thing I want to talk about, stickers. Oh, that way. Stickers. I've had a few stickers sent to me, so we'll just come and have a little closer look. Right, so first of all, I don't think I've mentioned this one. This is from Bram, the Wadesmill wood turner. We've been in contact quite a few times and left messages on each other's YouTube channels. Make some great stuff. Then we've got Si from Si's Corner. Great sign maker and intarsia maker. I've really sort of took a shine to intarsia, but not actually make anything yet. But that is some future projects that I want to get into. I have a scroll saw, so that will be something, few projects in the future for me. So I watch Si's YouTube channel. She's mad. Really is mad, but a great watch, fantastic watch. Then you got the Practical Engineer, Emil. Sorry, Emil. It's great videos on there. Really good. He's an upcoming channel. Really good stuff to watch. And up the top, and sorry about this, Martin, but I've put you up there because it's a small space that was left. We've got MG Makes, that's Martin. Great little projects he has on there. Well worth the watch if you get over to see his channel. And down below is all the messages that I've received. I always like to put them up because whenever I read it, it's great to know what people are thinking. So that's the sticker board. So if anyone else is watching and would like a sticker, I have them available and do a sticker swap. I would always love your stickers, whatever. So what's going on in the workshop? Well, I'm just going to turn you around. I've been doing a little bit of organising in the workshop. I put these shelves up a little while ago, and when I first put them up, all these tools were all laying down, disorganised, like most people's workshops, apart from Mr. Waltz. So now I've just drilled holes in and put all the bits in their positions. Got all my extra little fluids and stuff up there. Juck drawers on the top there. They're going to be next, as I'm going to have little slots to put them in, so they're all separated. Over here I've got another couple of little shelves, put me little boxes on there and some more stuff on there, me CA glue and everything, which is now giving me a bit more space down here and a bit more room to work with. So that's it for doing stuff in the workshop. Projects. I've got a little special one in there. You may have seen a couple of little posts. This is for the, I'll give you a little teaser. Can't see that too much. Yeah, that's for the small workshops, YouTube makers, Facebook, what's it called? Competition. Making competition we're doing. So, yep, that's a little project going on there that I've just got to finish. It's not much left to do with it. This little project, I may have posted on this before, or you've seen it on the lathe. taking it off because I needed to do some other stuff, but this is a nice lump of purple heart which I'm turning into a bowl with something I'm going to try on there, which I've sort of seen but don't know whether it's been done on a bowl or not, and I've got some bits to go on to that. So that's that. What else is there? Ah, yes, right. Let me see if I can get you. There you go. This little beauty. When I first bought this and done my first. Oh, shall I get into shot? That might be a bit easier, might it, for you? So when I first bought this and sort of done a little video of what it is, the unboxing and everything, I said that I was going to do a review on the machine. I'm just about to start doing that in the next couple of days. So watch out for those. It's going to be a series of videos. So yep, just keep an eye out for that, and we'll see how that goes. Everything else, right? So today, the extension of the workshop is what I should say. Not much has gone on because of the weather has been absolutely terrible with the snow, the rain. So I've got a lot of the decking taken up that you've seen before. Someone hopefully this weekend is coming away to take all that old decking away for me that I've given it to them because they want it to do some stuff with. And our builder friend is coming round to assess it all and give me a price on how much it's going to cost. But it's going to be quicker for him to do it than me even trying to do it. I know a lot of you do your own sort of stuff like that and enjoyed it, and I would as well, but I just haven't got the time to do that, unfortunately. So yeah, so that's going to start moving on hopefully in the next few weeks. Can't wait. So apart from that, guys, oh, and I've got a new video. Let me have a look just to get something so I can show you. I'm going to do quite a quick video on this. Tempting, isn't it? There you go. So, thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and I hope you all have good Easter weekends. If you're watching this for the first time and you haven't subscribed and you want to see more, please subscribe down here somewhere. Click on the little bell so you get reminders of notifications of up and coming videos. And to all my old subscribers, happy Easter and enjoy your holidays. Bye for now.